Problem 18. It says if V is between R and Y. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to say, hey, there's this V that is in between this line segment or between the points R and Y. So you have line segment RY with V between the R and the Y. Now, as soon as I see this, I write the expression, hey, I know that this RV's length plus the distance from V to Y, what would that add up to? Well, you went here to here. It would add up to the entire length of RY. Entire distance from R to Y. So I have my expression here. Now all I'm going to do is I'm going to fill in with what they tell me. They say, hey, RY, this RY's length gives me a perfect number. It's 30. The VY, this piece right here, VY, the expression that represents it is n plus 10. And it says find RV. So we got to get RV by itself. So we have RV just as here, plus the VY, which is n plus 10, is equal to 30. Sorry, I'm very poorly aligned here. Now, all we're trying to do is get RV by itself. So I need to get rid of the plus 10, and then to get rid of the plus n. So let's do the get rid of plus 10 by subtracting 10 on this left side, meaning I have to do it here. 30 minus 10 is 20. Positive 10 minus 10, big 0. So you're left with RV plus that variable n is equal to, on this side, 20. We want RV by itself, so I'm simply going to subtract that n. And RV, the expression that represents RV, is 20 subtract an n. Now please note, the 20 is positive, the n is negative. So you could write this instead, if you wanted, is you could just say, oh, it's the opposite of n. And now remember, 20, look in front, is a positive 20. That and that are the same thing. 20 is positive, 20 is positive. N is negative, n is negative. It's the same thing. The opposite of n plus 20 or 20 minus n. Imagine that's 5. 20 minus 5 is 15. Negative 5 plus 20, 15. Same answer. Either one of these is perfectly fine to write down on your paper. Both are correct. There you go for problem 18.